let's go paint a bird. Okay, so painting these, it is the tiniest of lines that really makes a difference on the bird. And the one that really makes a difference in turning the bird is that you take that beak into his face, and then paint acrylic, I like those colors to change and evolve, and so that's one reason why I do paint acrylic. Color here, that water, let's see what it looks like. Lightening up, doing a little bit of quill work. Set out more of a Rococo unit here. I'll let that area dry out. Here, like pushing this in here, see, it's pulling the bird down. I'm watching my colors and you know, just pulling these shapes together like this, pulling my colors down. So if I wanted to grab a little more contrast over here, maybe I'll reach over. This is my burnt sienna out of the bird and pull it in right over here, and see I'm moving that color of that bird out